What's the meaning of calculus? Calculus. Calculus.
Calculus. Calculus. Calculus refers to a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of continuous change and rates of change. It has two major areas: differential calculus, which focuses on understanding the rate at which quantities change, and integral calculus, which focuses on finding the total amount of change over an interval. The concept of calculus underpins many fields, including engineering, physics, and economics, and has myriad applications, such as in optimization, modeling complex systems, and designing algorithms. In essence, calculus is a powerful tool for quantifying and understanding change, and its applications have revolutionized the way we approach and solve problems in a variety of fields.